Okay, for homework 2-4, I'd like you to write down these equations. I'm going to have you tell me if it's one solution, no solution, many, and I'm also going to have you solve them to show me the work. Also listen for those 3 words to show me that you listen. So here you go. First one, I want you to realize just by the looks, whenever you have x on just one side, and again, let's use this purple color for one solution. If you only have x on one side of the equation of this equal right here, or you have different number of x's on either side, that is an automatic one solution. I want you to recognize that already. That's going to be a one solution answer. This is going to be a one solution answer. The other ones, remember, if you have the same x number, but then you look at that number next to it and it's not the same, that is your classic no solution look. First word is mountain, mountain. All right, and then of course your third one, if the x numbers are the same and the numbers themselves are the same too, this is a many solutions, or infinite if you want to get fancy. Infinite solutions, they'll say sometimes. That's a fancy word for many, infinite. Now, I want you to go ahead and solve these. So let's get rid of all these symbols here if I could. Because we want you to recognize that look right away. And then, of course, if we said solve them now, we want you to be able to solve them. So here we go. Solving this. Second word is lake, lake. So I'm going to do the opposite of +2, which is -2. Makes these cancel. Opposites. Bring down 6x. Bring down 12. The opposite of timesing by 6, dividing. And you can see right there, there is my one solution, 6. If I wanted to check it, I would take that 6 and plug it in where x is. Please write this. So if I was doing my check, that would be me plugging it in here. And I made a mistake there. It looks like x is 2. So that means I would be plugging in 2 right there. When I was doing my check, I saw that mistake. That's why we do check sometimes. But that gives me 12 plus 2. And yes, that is 14. And again, I'm glad I did that check because that answer would have been no good. That is the solution. That other number I got would not have been a solution. This one, start by getting rid of the plain number on this side, which is technically that 0. Or now step to this side and get rid of that 2x by subtracting 2x to both sides. Because at this point, you want to separate the x's and the numbers. That gives you 4x equals 4. And then if you divide by 4 right there, opposite of timesing by 4, that will give you the one solution. If you were to check it, I would check it like this. Plug in 1 right here. Plug in that same 1 right here. And see if I get a true statement. 2 equal numbers. I should. Yep, 6 equals 6. That is true. All right, last two. When you solve a no solution, here's how it looks. Start by getting rid of the plain number on the left. Bring down that 6x, the equal. This gives me 2. Stay on this side and eliminate the x term, and you'll see that I don't have any more x's anywhere. They all cancel and give me that 0 equal 2, and that's false. That's how it looks when you're solving one and you get that no solution situation. You'll have 2 unequal numbers. Everything goes away. This one, Solving this one, same way. Get rid of that 2. And then eliminate that 6x. But then on this one, a little bit different. You'll have everything cancel away and then just 2 zeros. So minus 6x right here gives me 0 equals 0. And that is true. That means any number I plug in is going to work. Third word is beach. Beach. So do this work. Show me those words. Turn that in next week. See you Monday.